Now.
Like this?
Actually, you need to do it hard. So I usually do my fingers all around, not just on the top. Okay, no, do it again. See, watch. See how it's open? And then don't squeeze here, just pry that open. There you go, good job. And we try not to.
Will you get yolk on your hands?
Yeah, when you.
Can I do another?
One more. Do it again. There you go. Now turn it and then open it up. There you go. Good job. Wait, you gotta get all the. All right, now go rinse your hands. Did you get that?
Nope.
Nice.
How'd I do?
You did great. You didn't get. Ooh, I got all the clothes.
Can I dump them?
No, I got it. You can dump them after I whisk them.
Can I whisk them?
I'm gonna. Okay, dry.
Can you post that on Google?
I'll post it on the family. Now watch.
You like this?
Hang on. No, not like that. Sort of like that, but watch. Okay.
How'd I do?
You did great. So I'm gonna tip it, but see how I'm holding it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're not stirring it.
Okay.
I'm gonna tip it. You hold this. So you can get a rhythm. Ready? Feel that?
Ow.
That hurts? Great job. Okay, now you want to beat it some more? Bring the stool over.